Alright, what's going on, Elijah? This is Austin over here, man, shooting you a screencast. So real quick, did a quick search of different security agencies within the area. So this is Cambridge Security. They have a pretty solid website build. Now it's a little bit old, but that's fine because it's all based on the content of which Google is looking for, right? So for example, they have contact Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Naples, Orlando, Palm Beach, about us, the services they provide armed, right? Anything to do doorman, executive, mobile patrol, security consulting, verified alarm response, right? Different industries that they go into as well. You can see all that stuff right there. Media room, and then they have contact, right? So contact to get in contact with any one of those 5 locations, okay? And then they have an employment page, right? This is all the same layout I can do for you, but make your website a little bit prettier as well, and also have the ranking. Okay, so for example, this is going to be their right here. This is their website. UR is going to be their strength, so it's not very strong. Okay, DR is going to be their popularity. It's not very popular, right? Now they do have 100K backlinks, which is pretty solid. 196 referring domains, pretty solid. 2.6K organic keywords, that's good. And their traffic is pretty good right there. Traffic value 13.6K. That's pretty good right there, man. Now, look over the past couple months. That's where it is. It's kind of climbing a little bit right there. You can see that. And then their domains dropping a little bit, but altogether, we want to beat you, right? So, for example, we want to beat this company. So, for example, come back to here. Just in West Palm Beach, bro, I clicked on Madison. That was the first one. You have Goliath, security agencies right here. You have Triple Threat, right? Say more security service, Roman security, Point Blank, Titan security. So like, I looked at all of these security agencies already, and guess what? They are not even. They have like nothing built. Okay. I don't know if you can see this on my screen. I'm assuming you can. But this is just all the different services that they have going on right now. So, and that's a ton, man. It's a lot of competition, but the goal is to get you on the first page, right? The first page of the security, right? So, and I'm just using West Palm, right? So as you see, you can see right here, you got, like I said, right here, rating, view all, okay? Look at that. And as we click on this is going to load. This will bring up the different areas. CB security. That's just in West Palm Beach, my man. 4.2, 4.5, 5, 4 point that. Okay. Not to mention some of these people don't even have websites, right? So I haven't contacted any of them yet. I don't feel the need to. That's just right there. So if we were to go back in general, let's go back. Organic websites, right? This is an organic web. This is not an ad. So Bodyguard, and it's a private security agency, right? They're listing right there, right? They're listing pretty well. And then you have Home Equal Security Services. That's another organic site. This is a security company. That's a lead gen. You don't have to worry about that. But basically, bro, we want you up here, right? Up here, whether I'm running an ad for you as well. Click that right there. An ad for you as well. And you have certain keywords that we want to put in there, okay? So it's not that hard. It's not that expensive, and we'll keep you at the top, which will generate you more traffic, more revenue, right? That's what we're looking for the most, right? That is what we want the most. So as I go into this, say Cambridge Security, stuff like that, this would all say your business name, right? Not only that, the keywords and the volumes. This is 800 clicks right now that they're doing, okay, per month, right? KD's 11. That's pretty good, right? So we want to target stuff, and we want to put you on the big lead gen websites, right? So for example, any type of big major security website like Angie's List, Craigslist, eBay, Home Advisor, anything like that, that's going to also give you an external, internal backlink to your website when people type in security, right? all of this stuff right here, all that stuff right there. And then at the same time, if you go to your organic keywords, what are they using? So look at this. Cambridge Security. 800 people are, that's 800 searches a month, right? 11 KDS, pretty good right there. Pay per click, boom, $7, $13. So we want to kind of target stuff like keywords that are a little bit lower, because it's also going to bring you more strength to the top, right? And these are all the different sites out there with the domains, right? I don't want to go too in depth and lose you, other than you don't have a lot of competition, because a lot of these people are not following up with what they have to do to stay on top, my man. So I can offer you a lot. It's just a matter of pulling the trigger. If you want to get this done, let me know ASAP. I have a lot of other jobs lined up as well. I want to help you out because you are one of my second to third customers. I like your attitude. I also like the passion that you have behind this company as well. I want to see you grow. I want to try to help you out in certain areas. Like I said, I'm not here to save your business or run your business, but I am here to help you pay bills and expand your business if need be. I can be that guy for you. So hope to reach back out to me pretty soon. Let me know what the gig is, my man. We can talk prices here and there. And hope to hear from you soon, bud.